Gemini just got sharper. In the app, answers now land with cleaner structure and better image understanding. At the same time, Google introduced Gemini Enterprise as a front door for workplace agents across Workspace and Google Cloud. The goal is simple: move from clever chat to repeatable work. Most of us live in Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Calendar. If an AI returns a wall of text, you still have to fix it. If it cannot read your screenshot or whiteboard photo, you still have to retype. Cleaner formatting and stronger vision cut those steps. Agents then turn outputs into actions, so the work keeps moving. First, the refresh in the Gemini app. Outputs now arrive with headings, ordered lists, and simple tables. That sounds small, but it means a draft that drops into Docs with minimal cleanup. Vision also improves. You can upload a photo of meeting notes or a dense dashboard and ask for a summary, an outline, or a set of action items. Instead of coaxing a messy blob into shape, you start closer to done. Tiny change, big effect. Now, Gemini Enterprise. Think of it as your company's AI front door. It is where people discover, build, and run agents with guardrails. An agent is not just a chatbot. It is an AI that plans steps and takes actions across your apps, like filing a doc to the right Drive folder, sharing it with the team, and starting a follow-up in Calendar. The pitch is clear. Connect Workspace, connect your data in Google Cloud or third-party tools, and run workflows you can audit and govern. How does it stack up against Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT Teams? Positioning comes down to where you live. If your world is Microsoft 365, Copilot is the most native. If you want a vendor-neutral chat workspace with strong reasoning, Teams is a solid baseline. If your email, docs, and meetings are in Google Workspace and you want agents that move outputs through Drive, Gmail, Sheets, and Vertex AI, Gemini Enterprise lines up well. Pricing is generally in the same ballpark across these products, so the real difference is fit and workflow depth. Straight talk. Choose the platform that touches your daily tools with the least glue. Let's make it concrete with 3 quick demos you can try. Document drafting. Drop a customer email thread and a product spec into Gemini and ask for a 2-page client update with a highlights section, open questions, and a table of dates and owners. The new formatting means you copy straight into Docs, then let an agent file it, share it, and schedule a follow-up. That is Chat plus workflow. Spreadsheet ops. Upload last quarter's CSVs and ask for a cleaned table, consistent column names, and a pivot by region with a short narrative on the top drivers. In Sheets, have Gemini add data validation and conditional formatting so new rows stay tidy. Then let an agent pull next month's data on a schedule and post a summary in Chat. Boring task, big payoff. Meeting prep. Before a call, ask for a briefing that pulls from Gmail threads, Docs proposals, and calendar notes. Ask for a time-boxed agenda, 5 discovery questions, and a risk checklist. After the call, request action items and a 1-paragraph CRM update. That feels like a coordinator who never tires. Overkill for every meeting? No, just the ones that matter. There is one catch you should plan for. Any AI wired to business data can be nudged by prompt injection, which is hidden text designed to influence the output. Treat it like social engineering. Keep humans in the loop on high-risk steps, sanitize inputs where you can, and train teams to spot suspicious content. Good governance beats clever prompts. Rollout and migration fast. Admins can control access to the Gemini app from the admin console and map who gets what. If you are moving from legacy Gemini add-ons, review your feature map and billing terms before you flip the switch. For teams building agents, check data governance defaults so prompts, files, and logs are handled the way your policy expects. Set retention, scopes, and audit upfront, not after launch. Quick recap. The Gemini app's 2.5 flash refresh gives you cleaner drafts and stronger image understanding, which saves edits. Gemini Enterprise turns those drafts into workflows you can govern across Workspace and Google Cloud. The next step is simple. Pick one high-value process, wire it end-to-end, measure time saved, then scale. I want to hear from you. If your team has tested Copilot, ChatGPT Teams, or Gemini Enterprise, where did it actually move the needle, and where did it stall? Subscribe if you want deeper hands-on breakdowns and side-by-side tests as these tools evolve.